We're out here round baling some third crop. It was some pretty decent hay, but it got kind of slightly rained on, and then we had a bunch of cloudy days. But it'll still be pretty good for some dry cow and heifer bales. We've definitely made far worse hay than this. Last year we would have considered this hay pretty good. This year we're considering it okay. But 567 round baling. Could go faster, but I'm filming, so they say there's rain coming here in an hour or so. I don't know if I quite believe that, but it's Iowa. The weather changes in a hurry. So, yeah, this is the field I made that round baling video for first crop, and then for second crop, we were square baling and round baling in this field, and now I'm round baling again. So, like I said, dry cows and heifers will just eat this right up. So, I guess I really got nothing else to say. When we baled straw, we baled some with 40x40, the one that we usually mow with, and that was pretty nice. I like quad rings to bale with better because you just go from the first gear and you pull it right down into reverse. Here you got to go down and around. So, but we like to spread the hours on our tractors, so that's kind of why they stay glued. Like this one stays glued to the round baler most of the summer, and now 4x40, one's glued to the rake, one's glued to the mower. So kind of helps spread the hours, and the 30/20's on a mixer and grinder. So I guess I'll just end this video.